Welcome to the Cadline Dynamic Maps video, where we'll be looking at the Bookmark tool within MapThat. The Bookmarks tool is available from the Map Tools menu. Before we create a bookmark, let's zoom into the map at Wavertree train station. Now from the Bookmark tool, choose the Add Bookmark icon. Let's give the bookmark a name, such as Wavertree, and then press Save to save the bookmark. To test the bookmark, let's restart MapThat. And then from the Bookmark tool, we can choose our new bookmark. Press the Open button, and this will activate the bookmark and will return to Wavertree train station. If we have existing bookmarks, such as our planning apps, again we can choose that from the list and press the Open button to activate that bookmark location. In this example, notice it also preloads the planning apps layer. If you want to share bookmarks, for example the grounds maintenance bookmark, choose it from the list and then press the Copy to Clipboard button. We can then copy the URL and send that to a colleague. They can then paste that URL into a web browser. This will allow them to auto-open MapThat, zoom to the same location and work on the same data layer as you. Finally, to delete a bookmark, simply choose it from the bookmark list and then press the Delete Trash Can icon. Confirm you wish to delete the bookmark, and then you can see from the list that bookmark has now been removed.